Many people need their cup of coffee in the morning, but definitely not this one. With some Irish liqueur and whiskey in the mix, this Irish coffee pudding is one drink you should save for happy hour. In a saucepan, add the heavy cream, cornstarch, brown sugar, and salt. Bring the mixture to a bubble until thickened and smooth, then remove from the heat. Then, add in the Irish cream liqueur, Irish whiskey, and coffee. Whisk to combine. Pour it into a glass, top with whipped cream and chocolate shavings, then serve. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.